So in this class, we are going to consider as a continuation, still on our whole numbers. Now we want to consider what is referred to as the commutative property. The commutative property is used in simplification, all right, when we are working with our numbers, the whole numbers. There is a need of you to understand when addition is done or when multiplication is done between two or more numbers. All right? So the commutative property is referred to as the switch. All right? So this one is the switch property, which states that for addition, there is the commutative property under addition. If I add two numbers, 3 plus 4, I'm going to obtain a 7. But the way that I wrote these two numbers, I started with a 3. Someone can write this statement here as 4 plus 3. What are you going to obtain? A 7 again. So meaning to say, writing in this manner or writing in this manner does not affect our answer at the end of the day. It is the same, someone writing 3 plus 4 like this, and someone writing 4 plus 3. You're having the same answers at the end, which is what? Which is 7. So the order here, switching these two does not affect your answer. If you are given x plus y like this, you can write it in the way that you want. You can start with y and write as y plus x. That is what it means. You can start with y followed by x. You can switch. It does not affect your answer at the end of the day. So that is what you refer to as the commutative property of addition. So if we are using A and B, it simply states that A plus B is equal to, you start with B, you switch. So that is B plus what? B plus A. Addition. We do not have anything for subtraction. It's for addition. All right. Then for multiplication, it is the same thing. 2 times 3 gives us a 6. What about 3 times 2? 3 times 2, it is also a 6. So switching these two under a multiplication does not affect our answer. 1 times 2, 2 times 1. You are still going to obtain the same answer, which is 2. So given A and B multiplying each other, A times B, if I switch these two, it is not going to affect my answer. B times A. It is still one and the same. This is your commutative property. This is not used for division. It is not used for subtraction, like I said. It is used for addition. So the commutative property, it applies in that manner. So anything, for an example, 1 plus 3. Instead of writing it this, I can put it this way, 3 starting plus 1. I interchange. 3 times 1, interchange this, it is the same as 1 times 3. If I'm adding 12 plus 4, it is the same. I can interchange, start with what? With a 4. Then add 12. It does not affect your answers at the end. You are going to obtain the same answer. This is going to give us a 4. This is going to give us a 4. This is a 3. This is a 3. This is going to give us 16. This is 16. To show you that it is the same thing. So applications are going to be made later on looking into question papers, we are going to see how to apply such type of questions. But for now, I want to understand these basics. All right, understand your basics. So that is it, guys, till we meet again.